Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today we had amazing trades, amazing volatility in the market. So today is 27th of January, Wednesday 2021. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you my best trades today. All right, so this is the platform we are using it, guys. If you don't know how I use this platform with the live coaching, live training and live trades, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, so just to recap, guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and the analysis recording are available in the training session for the members. Today we had a weekly training session, which is recording is also available for all the members. You can see here we explain about the price action in more details, how to refine entries and exit, which basically with the live market. Basically we train and coach with the live market. So we had amazing volatility today, beautiful analysis. You can see here we had almost 20 best analysis, and most of them you can see consider banking some pips. One of my traders banked 219 pips, and I'm going to explain to you each and every single trade, which analysis is followed, and bank pips. Today most of the traders bank beautiful pips. I've taken a screenshot because I manage my traders, so I'm going to show you a screenshot. Yeah, that's the one. Let me zoom in. You can see here most of the traders bank was beautiful pips. These trades eventually went in profit later on. Euro yen, you can see we were short on dollar, pound. You can see again pound, beautiful 32, 34, 33, beautiful pips. Almost, you can see today is 27th, and all of these trades are 100% based on the analysis which is I showed you. So today was amazing day, beautiful, just like guys was printing pips, amazing. We really enjoyed today. Okay, so let me share with you this trader trades, which analysis is followed on bank beautiful pips. You can see 36 pips. He made a quite good pip, especially on euro USD was short and pound dollar. So he made a 36 pips on euro USD short, and then he made it another 164 pips. So let's see. Okay, this is the screenshot when he opened a position. This is the screenshot when he closed the trade, and 64 pips. This was the, if you look at here, this was the another trade, and this is the closing as soon as the price reverse, and he closed and made a 64 pips on euro USD based on, let me explain to you 4-hour chart, because that's what exactly we were looking into it. If you look at here, the price was at this level, and we explained to trader, if in live analysis, if the price gonna break this one, then we're taking a short trade, and if after that you can see beautiful short trade, and our target was this level, and final target was the daily support, which price nicely did, and beautiful rejection. You can see here, beautiful. And if you look at the journey, we have euro USD. If you open a pair, you can see all analysis related to the pair is on the right hand side. So you can see this is the analysis we did 7:32 just before London Open, half an hour. So we are looking this triangle pattern. Of course, we did analysis in 4-hour based on that. And then we bank profit. You can see here. Then, of course, we bank this profit, but we were holding that position. And then we did another analysis at the New York session that if the price gonna break the recent low, then we should be taking another short trade. And you can see both of the analysis, beautiful pips. You can see beautiful results. As you can see the result, beautiful pips. I took a short trade, 29 pips on this one. Short trade on pound dollar. He also banked beautiful pips here later on. Yeah. So if I show you the pound dollar, which analysis he followed it in, let me share with you guys. Yeah, that's the analysis. You can see here the price nicely develop and breakout, and after the breakout, beautiful pullback short trade. We were short on pound dollar because we were watching this morning, and most of the traders were watching this level. You can see this is the daily resistance level, and the price was at this level, and we explained if the price is going to break this level, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. As you can see here, then short trade, we're taking all pullbacks. Beautiful. You can see, let me share you the whole journey, because That's what we do. Intraday analysis. If you just focus only one pair, I'm pretty sure you can bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys. So first in the morning, this is the analysis we did. You can see 7:33 just before half an hour London open, before London open, and then we banked beautiful pips, breakout, pull back short, and then we did another analysis at the New York session. You can see 14:12, and then we bank another beautiful pips with that analysis, and then later on we did another analysis as soon as the price developed. You can see 3 dots. We mentioned the head and shoulder pattern develop, and then we bank another beautiful pips. So this was the trade. He also took it. As you can see, he made a 12 pips on pound dollar. This was the head and shoulder pattern. Beautiful. And as soon as this was the final target, price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful pips on this one. So dollar CAD, he took a 2 trades this morning and banked 27 and 41 pips. Let me share with you. This was the analysis based on that. If I show you the dollar CAD this morning for our chart, if you look at here, and the price was at this level, and we explained to trader if the price going to stay above that level, then probably we're going to be taking, if the price going to stay above that, we mentioned to take a long trade. As you can see here, let me share with you the journey of dollar CAD. That's what I'm saying. If you look at one pair, and all the analysis related to this pair is here, so you can see the whole journey from here to here and from here to back, both. So you can see, let me explain to you. Let me move to the here. You can see this is the 7:36 GMT London time, just before half an hour. We did this analysis. We analyzed 4 hour as well, and then we can see here beautiful breakout and the pullback based on that analysis. Then we did another analysis at the New York session, which price did not develop a pullback. Perfectly fine, no problem. But we had it another counter short trade, which we explained to trader. And we bank another beautiful pips as a counter. Reason why we did the counter short trade, I'll explain to you in a minute. Just let me show you. Then we did another analysis, possibility of pullback, which price nicely did a little bit pullback, but price reverse, and we made a loss. You can see here, he made a loss, 9 pips. That was the trade. You can see here, pullback, that's the entry. And then he closed that trade straight away. Long trade, is expecting minus, no problem. We cut our losses very quickly. And then we took another short trade here. You can see here, beautiful. Again, on the pullback, if you look at the bottom of the momentum, bearish, based on the another analysis, beautiful, another 16 pips. So you can see just only 3-4 pairs, which basically follow all the analysis. So all these trades, 219 pips, are 100% based on the analysis, which we broadcasted here and we shared here. So you can see we had an amazing day today, beautiful pips. All right, so let's quickly, I'm just going to show you a couple of the analysis quickly. This was a pretty straightforward breakout. This was a New York session. Let me start from the bottom so that you can understand the morning. Okay, so this one, pretty straightforward, small trade, breakout short trade. We had it, price nicely hit to the first target. Pound dollar, which is already explained to you, beautiful pips. Pound yen, that was a beautiful breakout. You can see here, price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade. And euro yen, this morning we mentioned, look, recent high, recent low, breakout, beautiful, price nicely hit to the previous level. Bank beautiful pips. Dollar CAD, which is already mentioned you, beautiful pips. Dollar yen, that was a beautiful, you can see here, channel has been developed, and we mentioned look for previous high or recent high, recent low, breakout. Price literally went to a very good pips, I think 20 pips or something like that, on dollar yen. And Aussie dollar, you can see here, pretty straightforward. We explained to trader head and shoulder pattern is developed. You can see after that price literally came to this level later on. A beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar. Kiwi dollar, again beautiful pips. You can see this was the channel breakout, beautiful short trade. All right guys, we had a gold. That's what exactly you can see, beautiful breakout. You can see very nice and nicely hit to the profit target. That's the first target, and that's the final target on goal. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all the analysis. If you look at, you can see that how deeply we analyze as an intraday analysis. If you pick up any pair, if you want to open like Aussie dollar, you can see all the analysis, all the journey here. First analysis, bank some profit. Second analysis, bank some profit. You can see it. That's what exactly we do live every single day. And if any opportunities raised based on the analysis, we broadcast live through live audio commentary and we communicate. And if the trader need any help or if they need a more clarification about that analysis, they can use audio chat, or they can talk to senior analyst technically to me, or if they have any questions they can also message me. So I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training, including weekly training, in-depth training with the live market. Or even if you're struggling in Forex trading, I'm pretty sure once you see all that analysis in real time, that's the key thing. You're going to develop your trading skill. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all these pips every single day, guys. So all these pips is going directly to our fund management account, and please watch that video. Link is given in the below. You will find out how we basically make money through these pips, and that in this video is explained in more details. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis review. Most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best.